this press conference. As you know, 24th actually was the Panchayati Raj Day, establishment of the panchayats, and त्या दिसा आम्ही actually celebrate करपा आसले. But as you know, that day was the birthday of Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant. So we are celebrating the Panchayati Raj Day tomorrow. That is the 29th at Kala Academy. Program will start in the morning. It will go on till evening. Now highlights of the program are panchayats in Goa have come of age. They have been performing very well, and those performing well, whether it is in waste management, whether it is adopting the digital footprint, whether it is doing something exceptional which has drawn attention, आम्ही सगळ्या एवॉर्डूय दवरला, म्हणजे टू एनकरेज देम, टू प्रोपेल देम टू डू इवन बेटर एंड सर्व एज एन एग्जाम्पल फॉर अदर पंचायत्स एज वेल. आनी ताका लागून हें फंक्शन खूब म्हत्वाचें आसा. एट द सेम टायम some panchayats or most panchayats we want them to go solar. So in that regard, Tivim and Dabolim have been selected for purposes of classified as solar villages, where from a central government scheme we will be giving them enough I should say equipment and funds from the central government under those schemes wherein it will be fully solar. For example, this panchayat we want to make it solar. Joggers Park, some area we want to make it solar. Mahila Bhavan we want to make it solar. Why is this being done? So that people seeing that inga bill kai fari korpa padna, we don't have to pay any electricity. Solar energy is being drawn. On the contrary, we are having some surplus which can and is going to the grid. It is the best practice. So this others will also be adopting. So this is something on which there is going to be a talk. Stray cattle also is a very big problem in Goa. So a speaker is going to come to educate them as to how they can, through the Gaushalas, adopt a system wherein the stray cattle also is managed. कित्याक एकदा पंचांकूय खबर आसना कोण खंयची एजन्सी करता, पंचायतीचो रोल कितें. सो हें सगळें कळपा खातीरूय आमी हें थिंगा डिस्कस जातलें. Stress is going to be laid, of course, on Swachh Bharat mission. Now on that day, we are also going to give awards to the persons who have completed more than 5 terms. There are some people in this panchayat itself. There is one Mari Maskarnas who has completed more than 5 terms. So all these people are going to be awarded. Similarly, sarpanches who have done good work. It is category wise, A, B, C, D. So they are also going to get awards and certificates, which obviously they will feel proud, and it makes other sarpanches think, why am I not getting the award? So this is precisely why this particular Panchayati Raj Day is being celebrated. Our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant will be the chief guest. I will also be present, and all the other officials, including the director, deputy director, and our additional director, everybody will be present for this particular function. The pilot project, they have selected Tivim and Dabolim, which is going to showcase to other panchayats. But the scheme लागू जाता सगळे 191 panchayat. So all will get benefit of through GEDA, Goa Energy Development Agency. That will be the agency under Power Ministry, which will be promoting all these schemes from central government as well as incentives from local government, and we will make it function more. For example, now as you know, we have made strides in other things as well. The AI attendance, some panchayats have done it, some have not done it. We are in the process of encouraging everybody to do it. So AI attendance has improved the punctuality, improved or decreased the bunking, I will say, which used to take place, and people exactly know the location where a particular employee is there, including the secretary. So it has improved overall functioning, and I know that in due course of time, this AI attendance will be adopted by all departments.